guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Istanbul, Turkey, and I'm in the waterfront city of Besitkas. Beşiktaş. Behind me is the Bosphorus, and so I'm gonna walk around this town and see what's going on. I've never been here before, but it is very lively, so it's got to be a pretty interesting place. So let's check it out.
Evladına destek verelim. Ona sırtımızı dönmeyelim. Sizlerin desteğiyle Aşiyan'da yaşayabilir, kampanyamızı bitirebiliriz. Kampanyamız varlığı sınırları.
I believe there are ferries you can take from here to Kadıköy as well, so if you're in Taksim, you don't necessarily have to go all the way to Kadıköy. Maybe you could come here and take the ferry. Apparently there's a lot of universities around here, so there's a young crowd. It has a lot of nightlife apparently. Too bad I didn't come here last night on Saturday, and I'm leaving after tonight, so I'm not going to get to see that, but just walking around a little bit, you can see that this is a very popular place. So I keep seeing these pubs with greatness on it, and it's like in the same font as Guinness. I'm wondering, is that some brand name restaurant bar operating company out here? Durham, 85. I think that's the cheapest I've seen it so far. So maybe this area is cheaper than Taksim, I would assume. You got the guys with selling the mussels over here. That's so strange. I never seen that in any other place, but apparently it's really popular. So. Pretty good crowd for a Sunday afternoon. And if you're in Taksim and you want to come down here, there is a bus close to the Continental Hotel near Taksim Square. But you could just walk because it's all downhill. Maybe on the way back you want to take the bus or something, but walking here wasn't that difficult. And you get to walk by the soccer stadium, which is interesting.
Ama ben girmesin.
I really want to try those peaches. They look really good. But this reminds me a little bit of the area around the port of Kadıköy. Just a lot of these little alleyway streets, a lot of fish sellers and fish restaurants and that kind of thing.
Ne diyecektim? Zaten kocaymış, hiçbir şey değil.
I'm curious how locals compare this place to Kadıköy. Are they considered to be similar, kind of like Brooklyn and Queens, New York, or do they consider it to be very different? I wonder how many people live in this city. It looks pretty pretty crowded. Gonna have to look that up.
Ya da yani koydun mu duruyor.
Teddy bears up on the balcony over there.
Algılamaya başlıyor.
Ice cream, 60 Turkish lira for one scoop. It's a little bit less than $2. Now, before I came here, I was watching some videos of Istanbul and Istiklal Street and prices and stuff like that. And one of them showed them buying ice cream from those guys that do the tricks with the ice cream and, you know, all that stuff on Istiklal. And they said it was €9 for, I don't know if it was one scoop or two scoops, but even two scoops over here is like $4. So big difference.
Annem bir ara çok
Seems like a pretty cool city to live in, even if just for a few months at a time. I wouldn't mind living around here.
Bafralıymış.
I still have not seen a decent sized supermarket yet. You know, one where you can push your cart through multiple aisles and stuff like that. Everywhere I see, maybe just because I'm in these city areas, but they're just very small, almost just markets pretty much, with one or two aisles and no shopping carts, and they're really narrow and all of that. So I guess you have to go to the outskirts or the suburbs to see that out here. I don't know.
Ne bu hangi başlıyor?
That goes inside. Oh man, some pretty steep hills. Yeah, it's pretty hilly out here. People in Istanbul must have some really good cardio walking up all these hills and stuff. I think I found the real supermarket right here, Namli. Maybe I'll go check it out. So guys, that's a little walk through Besitkas. Obviously, I'm just scratching the surface here. There's a lot more than the few little streets I went up, but that should give you an idea of the vibe of this place. And my recommendation, if you come out to Istanbul, definitely come out here and check this place out, and possibly at night too, to see the nightlife in the bars and whatnot. So I hope you like this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.